Imagine this. A best-selling author's manuscript is in your hands. Or maybe it's a business proposal that could secure a multi-million-dollar deal. They're counting on you to ensure every word is perfect. That's the power of proofreading, an art that turns good writing into great writing. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your keen eye for detail into a thriving career as a proofreader. Whether it's for authors, businesses, or online content creators, the demand for skilled proofreaders is skyrocketing. Stick around, because we'll dive into everything you need to get started, build your client base, and grow your income. Are you ready to change lives one word at a time? Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the role of a proofreader. Before diving into the how, let's understand the what. A proofreader's job is to ensure that content is error-free, consistent, and professional. It's not about rewriting, it's about perfecting what's already there. Step 2. Building your proofreading skills. Proofreading is a skill that anyone can learn with practice. Start by improving your command of grammar and punctuation. There are countless resources online, from free grammar guides to advanced courses. Step 3. Niching down authors versus businesses. As a proofreader, you'll need to decide your niche. Are you proofreading for authors or businesses? Each niche has its unique challenges and rewards. Step 4. Setting up your proofreading business. To attract clients, you'll need to establish a professional presence. Start by creating a portfolio showcasing your skills. You can use before and after examples of your proofreading work, with permission, of course. Step 5. Finding and retaining clients. Landing your first client can feel daunting, but persistence pays off. Start by reaching out to your network, joining writing groups, and even offering a free trial to showcase your skills. Step 6. Pricing your services. How much should you charge? Pricing depends on the complexity of the work and your level of expertise. Beginners typically charge $20 to $30 per hour, while experienced proofreaders can command $50 or more. Step 7. Scaling your proofreading business. As you gain experience, look for ways to scale. Take on higher-paying clients, offer related services like editing or content writing, or even build a team to handle larger projects. And there you have it. Everything you need to start earning money as a proofreader for authors or businesses. The road might seem challenging at first, but with dedication and the right approach, you can turn proofreading into a rewarding career.